Carol for Butterfly and Blue News, reporting live. We are getting ready for another call, this time with Carol's friends, childhood friends. We will see what these people have to say about Butterfly and Blue and about Carol as an artist. What is the tea? Let us jump into the call soon. Paas pala. That's why.
Oh.
Protect your voice. That's okay. You
Oh.
can use the chat feature. Wow. Nawara hihap sister. Mahina yan na kanina. Okay. Oh,
Wow!
Lawrence is back.
I'm
Yay,
back.
timing.
I'm back.
Yeah, nice timing.
Oh, you life of mine, wished for once upon a time.
Oh, thank you sa mga love heart. Very simple lang. Yeah, pero deep. And now, I will pass on the mic to you guys. Ano't your thoughts about Han song? Yan ang first listen.
Ako bet kon song,
Thank
very
you po.
chill layab, nakakalma.
I agree. Wow, thank you, Ezra. Si Ezra Liwat in the chat. Ano ang masasabi ni Ma'am Ezra? Siring pa man ni Ezra, deep ko na deep ang song. Ha, iyo, ako hi Choops, diba? Knowing kung hino hi Choops dati, ano't connection ni Choops and then like Carol now as an artist.
Bagat para akong like more mature version kumbaga. Habang nagtitikada mo tem songs, nagtitikada mo tem ginihimo. Bagat nakikita mo get it growth kumbaga.
Let us read Ezra's essay. Choops, now and then, what I like about it, personally, you are still the authentic and passionate person nga amon kilala. Oh! And na-appreciate ko, kayo incorporated hiya, in music or art. Oh! Which makes it more, mapapaiyak ako dito. Dirila kanta it mahusay it tune. It also gets to know the person slash artist. Hearing the song, bagat nag-look back liwat ako nak time when I got my first teaching job. Full circle moment. Na-hire ka gada, no? HLVD.
True.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you, yeah, for that. Tas I feel grateful ba? Tas same feelings na anxious, yeah. Thank you, Ma'am Ezra!
Kung mabalik kay Lawrence,
Yeah.
3, 2,
Mabalik niya?
1, well.
Nag-chat hiya nga mahinay ko noan mahinay na.
Yeah.
Oh, nakabati man yan hiya. Okay, Lauren says, maupay ang kanta. Ang akong last question kay ano't iyo hopes and expectations in the future. Wow!
Para ako, very excited ako imo future path, imo mga future songs, future na ganaps, Permi good nakaabang, permi nagko-comment. Wala lang, nakaka-happy na nakikita na, you're still creating, mas nag-accumulate mo experiences in something na passionate ka. Ganun.
Thank you, Trick Shot. Same with Trick Shot ko, no? I think tanan kami nga St. John. Wow! We are very excited of what's to come haimo music. It may be small or big achievement. We are always your biggest cheerleaders, Didi Halete. Oh, that's true. Thank you, Han, yung mga insight. Ang mga brain cells is brain selling. Oh no! Trick Shot has turned into a birthday cake.